Hello, this is Georgia Sweeting, editor from Total Telecom, coming to you today from WinWin Live. Today we're joined by Hasan Alshemeili, Head of Technology Planning at DO UAE, who will take us through his experience and insights of how DO have accelerated innovation to be a leading telecom and digital services provider in the UAE. We know that DO has reached great achievements and recognition in the first half of this year, and the UAE 5G market has huge growth potential. As the Head of Technology Planning of DO, could you share your point of view on how to build network infrastructure to support 5G business?
As one of the leading telecom operators in UAE, do consistently introduce new innovative technologies and build a high-quality network infrastructure which is used to offer premium network connections with a higher bandwidth, low latency to meet the current and next generation digital services requirement. This contributes into the vision of UAE being a digital leader.
As you mentioned above, in addition to supporting the development of 5G services, in your opinion, what characteristics should be included for a transport network?
Firstly, facing uncertain traffic growth, the key concern is how to meet capacity demand while being cost-effective in the network infrastructure. DO is rolling out new technologies such as 400 gig multi-services OTN to maximize the value of transport network infrastructure. By doing so, DO has a solid network foundation for carrying multi-services now and getting ready for the industrial digital transformation in the near future with optimal TCO. Additionally, transport network requires end-to-end intelligence that can automatically allocate network resources and provision new services.
The digital transformation of enterprises has led to frequent network expansion. In addition to the large bandwidth network capabilities mentioned above, what other factors do you think need to be considered?
In 2021, we have deployed OTN technologies to the metro network to build all optical with one hub architecture and low latency. Accordingly, we can offer enterprise better experience. Furthermore, we need to reduce the complexity of network expansion and shorten the time to market of services to handle all the traffic growth within an agile network. Last but not least, we need higher integrated and green solutions that can reduce the footprint and power consumption.
Thank you for sharing this information. Finally, what kind of advice would you give to the vendors like Huawei from an operator's perspective?
From an operator perspective, my advice to vendor like Huawei would be continue investing in network technologies and provide highly integrated and reliable solution. Integrated IP and optical network is the future of transport network. And those who are able to stay ahead of the competition will be our valued partner. Therefore, vendors who support standards and openness will thrive to build an agile and digital network.
It's been great to hear how DO have accelerated innovation to become a leading telecom and digital services provider in the UAE. Thanks for joining us today at WinWin Live. Catch you next time.